Hi everyone, it's Carol here from the stampingground.co.uk. Thank you for joining me, and today's project is this little favour box. It measures 2 inch by 3/4 inch by 5 1/4. It's nice for weddings. It's also nice for popping sweets in. It will fit a lip balm or lipstick, a lottery ticket, and I'm sure you'll think of lots of other things to pop in it. We need a piece of designer series paper 6x6 and a piece of cardstock 2 inch by 3 inch. So the scoring is 3/4 inch by 2 3/4, 3 1/2, and 5 1/2, which in centimetres is 2, 7, 9 and 14. And turn it round and score at 3/4 inch, which is 2 centimetres. And that's all the scoring there is. The actual cardstock, you can score in the middle, or you can just fold it in half and use your bone folder and just burnish. We're going to fold all the score lines and burnish. It's quite difficult on a dark paper, especially a black and white one. It gets your eyes a bit this. One there, and one at the bottom. So there's a tiny rectangle here at the bottom, and we need to cut this out. And then cut up to the first score line all along the bottom, and then just notch out. Just makes it a little bit neater, and it will do like this across the bottom. On this smaller side, you've got a thicker one here, a wider one here, sorry, and this one. It's this one we want. And we're going to use tape. You can use glue, and if you do use glue, then just leave it for a short while to make sure it's set. And then just fold this up to meet it. Whoops. So wherever, can't even see where I've joined it now. But wherever your, there we are, wherever your join line is, bring the bottom to meet it so that your joins are on the same side. So we want the tape on here. So we'll pop it, oops, we'll pop it on here, on the bottom one. There we are. And you're just going to press in at the top And just press gently down there. We're not creasing it. There we are. Now you can't stop once you've folded. We're going to use the tag topper punch and just pop that in and press. And that is going to go over there. So we're going to pop tape on here. I wouldn't use glue. Well, yes, you could use glue. Again, you would need to leave it. You would leave it a while to set first. But tape is it is very good. Back. I like to pop the front on, line up the score line with the top of the box and then fold down. There we are. Now I'm using linen thread. You're going to thread up and leave a good 6 inch so that you can tie your bow without struggling. Then on this one you want to go down. Then as you come round, you're going to tie a bow. I'm going to pop that there so it doesn't move. And then just trim the ends. There we are. So I hope you enjoy making this. If you've enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up on the YouTube channel and I'll see you shortly with another project. Thank you and goodbye.